A lot of big updates today, new products and EV tax credit updates. Let's get right into it. So brand new to the market and it already sold out. Did you hear about this? The Cyberquad, the highly anticipated accessory item to the Cybertruck, has now been released for kids, and it has a maximum speed of 10 miles an hour and a maximum range of 15 miles. Now, this fairly expensive kids item is going to set you back $1,900, but it's the first ever look that we've seen from Tesla on the Cybertruck accessory products, being the Cyberquad. So again, this was released and it's sold out in the matter of hours. Same goes for another cyber product, and we've been hearing a lot of rumors of these cyber products being released. The Cyberwhistle, a $50 accessory item, also came out just days ago and also already sold out. So big plans for Giga Texas. It's the new headquarters of Tesla and it is finally official. Paperwork has been filed to make Tesla's new HQ Texas, and this is not uncommon. We've seen SpaceX, we've seen Neuralink starting to build their footprint in Texas, but Tesla just got approved 5 key architecture designs for their HQ, and like I said, that paperwork for the new HQ has been filed. So the previous facility, the HQ in Fremont, California, and Giga, Nevada, those facilities are actually planning to increase production 50%. So we are not going to see these production facilities slow down in any way. They're actually going to increase their production. So this is big news because it has been talked about that the new Tesla battery, the 4680 battery, will come out of Texas, and talks about the recycling plans for those batteries also coming out of Texas. So this is a big accomplishment. This production facility is getting closer and closer to that final day of opening. So let's talk about the EV tax credit. We're really waiting for some convincing conversation or some big updates to the EV tax credit. Well, it's an ongoing conversation. It was passed in the House. This $1.7 trillion plan does include in the Build Back Better plan that $7,500. It's refundable now for EV purchases. But what is the latest? So another big update as far as the timing of this bill. It has been proposed by Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer that this bill gets introduced to the floor on the week of December 13th. So this is a big timeline update. And remember, Chuck Schumer wanted this bill to be passed by Christmas. So again, this is a new update that we have not seen before as far as when voting should be expected. Well, one of the senators of Michigan, Gary Peters, has been asked about the plans and talks of the EV tax credit. And essentially, when talking with other senators, specifically Senator Joe Manchin, there has to be some compromise. And when asked if the bill is going to change, especially when it comes to that union bonus, he said that it's likely to change. There's a lot on the table. But UAW President Ray Curry has said that the union bonus, that extra $4,500 incentive, is actually alive and well. So we've seen President Joe Biden talk about this union tax incentive. We've also seen him highlight GM during his GM visits, saying that GM has led the charge of America in EVs. So there's a lot of controversy around this extra credit for unions. The talks are still ongoing, but like what we said, there's likely change about to happen with that bill. Now, Senator Peters didn't want to give too much away, saying that he did not want to talk about any changes publicly, but he did give us a good hint, and this is really important because the whole conversation around this bill, there's a lot of spending in this bill, but when it comes to the EVs, there's been so much debate about the extra incentive for the unions. So again, if you're unaware, if it's a union company that uses unionized workers, there's an extra $4,500 bonus on top of the $7,500 EV tax credit. Well, these conversations have just happened, and again, Senator Peters have said that it is on the table that this might change. This is pretty big news. So there's gonna be a lot of updates with the new facilities, the EV tax credit, new products, and more. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and drop a like so that I know that you enjoyed the video, and tap or click the screen here for videos recommended to you. Again, this is Matt from Funk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video update.